In machine control, everything works off of a final design. There's some surveying processes that go into that to determine where the machine is. Once the machine knows where it is, the componentry in the machine tell it, okay, well, this is where I am, this is what the plan's telling me to do. You're trying to dig a ditch and the bucket will not go past your final grade. So I know that I can't overdig here.
It was unique seeing how everything went and integrated with each other. The blade control and the machine control would adjust itself with load on the blade.
On the dozer side, customers are impressed that they can move the material where it's supposed to go the first time. Everything else pretty much works on its own.
Like that automatic blade control and that's worked very efficient.
It's a little bit different. It's got a different setup from what other dozers are, but I found that it actually handled quite simply and gave me a lot of time to think while I was doing not much in the cab.
Everything has been thoroughly thought out and protected. We're not dealing with componentry that's going to be exposed. There's less chance for wear and tear. They come from factory, they come from the OEM. They've been engineered into the machine.
Well, you don't have to take so long to set up. Once you get it going, it sort of does its own.
An intelligent machine is something you would have told me 10 years ago, 20 years ago. I wouldn't believe it. But I can see the value to it now.
If you try them, you really understand what it's all about. This machine, it just didn't exist 3 years ago.
That technology that's out now is better than it's ever been. And it seems to be very well maintained, and it's easier to work with. The important factors is that they're smooth and quiet.
Can't really go wrong with technology like that. It's a pretty nice system.
We try to not just deliver equipment, we also try to help increase the customer's awareness and knowledge about machine control, and so they understand how machine control works. As we interact more and more with them, we'll learn what the customer's needs are, what kind of projects they're working on, and understand what they're trying to do with the equipment to make it more efficient for everyone.